How's it going? Welcome back to the show. This is You May Roscoe, and I am Roscoe. And today we're going to be doing a reaction to the song Natural Sounds. And this is by Barbara Streisand. This is from a happening in Central Park from 1967. So we'll be checking this out. Before we do that, I do want to ask for anybody who hasn't that they please subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell. Also, make sure that you go over to Barbara's homepage and do the same thing because we do want to support the artist. And I'm going to give a shout out to David Savage. So, my man's in them, David Savage. I want to say, what's up to you? I want to say thank you. I want to say I appreciate you big time. A very, very huge supporter of the page. I love David. like he's if you could make the perfect person to have be rocking with you on your page, because I know that you guys have subscribed to the page and all that, but I think of you guys as more than subs, in a lot of respects. We become a community and like a family, because that's the way that I look at everybody in the world. For me, I like to start at that point and then work my way backwards if I have to. And if I'm working my way backwards, that's a bad thing. That is a bad thing. But yeah, no, I started that place. You know what I mean? Like we start as family and then we'll see how it goes, so yeah, no, David Savage, like I said, is a great dude. A very funny spirit, comedic spirit, and I love that, but yeah, no, just dope dude. But we're gonna rock this out for David and everybody else out there. So without further ado, and without me talking so much, yay, let's go.
My heart would make natural sounds with you, my love. The happy sound of water on stone, the quiet sound of waves on sand. When you hold my hand, my heart makes natural sounds with you.
Um, very poetic. I like this. I like this. I like this a lot. Like these, especially with these older songs. Like Barbara's gonna pretty much have me wrapped. Like she has everything going the right, and then that style of music that will be going on. Like I look at all of the eras that would lead up to like right at when once you get to the 2000s, I suppose. Probably a little bit before that, but yeah, no, like all of those eras going backwards from there, you know, great music, great music. You know what I mean? So like yeah, no, all this stuff is like certified, in my head. But then once you get to the 2000s, it started getting iffy. I mean, iffy, like I swear, like at right at the 2000s, for like maybe like a good year or two, like I just stopped listening to like music. Like I was just like, oh, this stuff is horrible. This is garbage. I can't do this. So I got, of course, I got back into music because I started like doing music again myself. You know, like I started recording and doing all that stuff. So yeah, no, I was back into music, and I started to have to listen to music again just to feel what was happening in the world. But um, but yeah, no, let's keep it going.
of waves on sand when you hold my hand. My heart makes natural sounds with you. My head makes natural noises too, my love. The whirring sound of bees in a comb, the rushing sound of wind in the trees when we kiss, and more than this I know. My heart would make natural sounds if ever you should go.
She is really looking good. You know, she looking good. The wind is blowing through that big ass sunset. Killing it. She killing it. But let's keep it going.
The rushing sound of wind in the trees when we kiss, and more than this I know. My heart would make natural sounds if ever you should go. The hollow sound of stones trapped in a well, the lonely sound of rain in the night.
These Barbara songs are too short. I know if there's a critique to have, you know, like I usually there's nothing bad to say about ever. But if there's and now I found my something. I found my something. You know, is these songs too short. You know. But this will be the last time we stop it. We're gonna go ahead and finish out, and then I'll give my final assessment.
The lonely sound of rain in the night. Natural sounds. My heart makes natural sounds with you.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. She had another second of applause to get. You know, I wanted her to get all of that. You know, every second of it. But then, you know, my thing likes to do the delay and not do what I wanted to do. So we stopped it right in the nick of time. Let's push it back. That is a beautiful shot right there. I'm gonna go with it. That was Barbara Streisand with Natural Sounds back in 1967. And you want to talk about a natural sound. Yeah, let's talk about a natural sound. Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand is a whole natural sound all by herself. She could be singing about herself in this song. Like all of the great sounds that she makes many hearts feel when she sings songs, you know. And my heart is turning into one of those hearts, you know. And that's the realest thing. I feel like blessed, privileged, and all that to now come into the know. You know, like I feel like I've been pulled out of the matrix. like pull the thank you for pulling me out. You know, you're Barbara Streisand. You know, because and I wasn't, you know, I'm in it, but I'm like Neo in them. You know, I'm on that side of being in the Matrix as a part as opposed to being like what was his name, Cipher or whatever the guy that was the traitor. That guy, he wanted to be in it. He was like, I don't care. Fool me, trick me. I want to be in the Matrix. I'm like, nope, I can't be. I can't. Nope, nope, can't do it. Can't do it. But but yes, Barbara Streisand, uh, she was singing about all these beautiful natural sounds that her heart makes when she's around this person, whether it be the cats clawing at the door or rockets bursting into red glare and all that good stuff. But yeah, no, she did an amazing, terrific, outstanding job. Like um, it's just standard for her. I've come to realize that she's like her base is like amazing and all that, and then just escalates. Um, I just marvel at like how she could consistently like it's one thing to like there's some shows where you put on certain performances and then other shows you may be a little bit lackluster, whatever, and it may be due to a lot of things, so it's not that I'm bashing, I'm being understanding even with those people, but Barbara don't come like that. She respects this like the basketball players who respect the fact that there's some fans that only get to see them that one time, and so she knows that she has to put on like great performances all the time. Like this may be your only time hearing, you may be born and then you can hear, and then next thing you may be gone. But you're gonna hear me first, before that. But yeah, this is another remarkable performance, another two thumb performance. I think easy two thumbs too. Like this was like this was an easy two thumbs. Like just like yeah, like she didn't even go full throttle, Barbara. That's how easy this two thumbs were. Like it was so like dope, and then like it still felt contained, and she didn't have to do all these crazy runs and all that other type of stuff, but she did hit some notes, some great notes, but yeah, just some natural sounds. And that was it. I ain't gonna stretch this out no more, but yeah, two thumbs all day. Before I get going, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the share button, hit the playlist option. You'll pick the one named Barbara Streisand Reactions. I do have a playlist for her, so you will see this and everything else that I have reacted to that features her. I do have a playlist for other artists, a lot of great music by those artists, a lot of different genres of music. When you get the chance, please check that stuff out along with the stuff that's not music related. Cash App, $ you made Roscoe, PayPal at you made Roscoe. Super thanks option is available for those who like to show their support or appreciation for what's being done on the page. Any donations will be made to any of those spots um, that I just spoke up. The siren was starting to break my concentration a little bit, but I'm on point. It can't stop me. I will take my own physical shot like a man. So and Mazel Tov, and we'll see who that is in a bit. But yeah, no, I've said everything. So I'm leaving. I will see you guys again soon. So until next time, be safe and be good.